cloud storage isn't hard to get these days. There are plenty of options out there, but security is where things get kind of iffy. From misconfigured servers to leaked access keys and sold private data, the concerns continue. So let's take a look at totaldrive and see, does having secure cloud storage mean settling for trade-offs? In addition to breaking down the pricing and core features and extra tools, I'm also going to see if this app is easy to use or just simple on paper. Let's find out, and remember to use my special deals while purchasing to save money on your totaldrive subscription. You can find the link in the description. Okay, starting off, taking a closer look at their cloud storage overview. There's one plan available, totaldrive Premium, which includes unlimited cloud storage. Keep in mind that technically no cloud service can ever be truly 100% unlimited due to infrastructure limits, but totaldrive's allowance is so high that most users will just never reach it. So yes, it's among the best cloud storage options on the market. Because this cloud storage comes from the well-known company in the cybersecurity field, Total Security, you can easily add their other products to your suite for an additional fee. This includes Total Password, Total Browser, Total VPN, and Total Identity. By combining them under one account, you unify device coverage, simplify management, as well as save time and money. And this is ideal for anyone who prioritizes privacy, data loss prevention, and digital safety. All right, it's clear that totaldrive offers enough storage to last a lifetime, but is it a secure place to keep your personal media? Well, since totaldrive utilizes encrypted cloud storage, essentially a protective bubble is placed around the files on your device so no one else can see or access them. Then, while they're syncing to the cloud, they're protected by an additional transport layer security, so the contents are protected in transit and can arrive at the server safely. Your photos, documents, and videos are backed up securely without any complex settings to arrange. And on top of this, totaldrive includes ransomware protection. Though this doesn't stop attacks in real time, it does ensure that if you are locked out by ransomware, totaldrive has a backup copy so that you can recover your files easily. Additionally, totaldrive comes with a bonus subscription to their well-known antivirus, totalav. This is really a highly effective way to protect your device and keep malware from touching your personal data. And to top it off, Total Ad Block is also included with your plan, so you can easily block annoying ads and pop-ups, as well as preventing harmful third-party trackers from harvesting your browsing data. So in addition to some of the best cloud storage and extensive cybersecurity bundle, totaldrive comes with some extra tools and features to add convenience to daily life. All media on your smartphone is just automatically backed up to the cloud, so you always have a copy of everything that's easily able to be recovered. And there's also device syncing, making it really convenient to access recently updated files anywhere that you're logged in. Totaldrive's fast syncing and performance mean that it's optimized to store large files, heavy uploads, and real-time collaboration. Plus, there's no individual upload limit on each file. You can view the history of your previous file versions, as well as restoring deleted files. So even if you lose your device, all the files remain accessible. On that note, trash recovery is also available, so you have 30 days to decide before the files are permanently deleted. It's also very simple to share your files securely with anyone, since recipients aren't required to have a Total Security account. So once you've uploaded everything to the cloud, the smart file management automatically organizes your files into photos, videos, music, and documents so that you can intuitively navigate through everything. You can also preview media, tag important items, and use folders to stay on top of your digital life. And it's available on all major operating systems, so you can access your files from all of your devices. Also, totalav offers a 30-day money-back guarantee on their annual plan, so just follow my link if you're interested in learning more and save some extra money. All in all, totaldrive is best suited for users who want a simple cross-device storage solution without dealing with complex tools or workflows. It's especially useful for non-technical users who care more about reliable access and automatic backups than advanced collaboration or granular control. So when it comes to installation, the process is simple and there are instructions on their webpage for each device's installation. So once it's set up, the interface is clean and focused on essential actions such as uploading, syncing, and sharing. Keep in mind the automatic backups also reduce the need for manual file management, so everything is conveniently organized for you. As far as any trade-offs go in this Total Drive review, I did notice the lack of workspace collaboration. However, the app is advertised as being simple and straightforward. Remember, there is only one paid subscription available, so anyone that's seeking a variety of flexible options won't have multiple tiers to sort through. All right, to sum up today's Total Drive review, if you're looking for a simple and secure cloud storage at a good price, then this provider definitely checks those boxes. And for an even better price, definitely be sure to use my link in the description. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.